Hey guys, what's going on? James 4Drive here. So for today we're going to be working on my 2018 Razor 1000. We got a new glass windshield from UTVZILLA. It's red color match to match the machine. I've always wanted one. Kind of been on the fence on if I wanted to go black or red, but anyways, we're going to install this new windshield, and I'm going to do a how-to step by step from the beginning to the end, how to install the windshield. Should be a pretty simple thing, but I don't know. I was opening the box and I was like, you know what, let's get the GoPro, let's make a video, and let's just jump right into it. So I removed that foam on the top, but here's the windshield. It looks pretty good quality. The metal is really thick, like that's pretty sturdy, and glass, very nice. Here's your hardware. I'm gonna get the old one off of my Razor, my plastic half windshield, and then we're gonna set the camera up, and then I'll start mounting this one, and I'll just kind of go over it step by step. All right, so we've got these adjustment hinges are mounted. One of the brackets was backwards, and it was like messing with me, and I couldn't figure out what's going on, but we got it sorted out. The instructions are pretty good. So 7/64 Allen and a 3/8 wrench, and easy. So I'm not gonna mount the wiper right now. I'm gonna mount that later, but we're gonna go out to the machine and go ahead and install it on the machine. So they say you put these on the machine, these clamps, kind of a tight fit, but pop right on. I have this light bar roof. This was from UTV Giant, I think. And so I don't know how it's gonna fit, but we'll figure it out. All right, so they say that you need 2 people to mount this thing because it's heavy, and it is. I weighed it. This thing weighs about 21 pounds, which is crazy considering how small it is or whatever, but we're going to use these clamps to hold it in place, and I just got some rags down just to keep from scratching it or tearing it up or anything. I'm running into a problem. I'm trying to put the screw in, but look at the alignment. It's kind of hard to show, but I can't get the bolt in because it's not aligned right. So, okay, so all I had to do was loosen these two, and I kind of like shimmied it around and made it work. There's still a gap there, but it'll work for now. I'm gonna clean this windshield off, and then I'll show you everything. Here it is, nice and clean. I don't know what this is made of, but it's not scratch resistant, because just using a paper towel to wipe it clean, you can already see there's surface scratches in it, so whatever. But the glass windshield's fantastic. Here's our lower, upper. It's got these threaded mounts, so I guess you could like mount a mirror or something if you wanted to, but I already really like it. It's gonna be fantastic. So let's go for a cruise. All right, so my initial take is you can't even tell it has a windshield. Like, it's crystal clear. This is amazing. Like, I already love this thing and I haven't even took off. So I'm gonna drive it around, and then I'll turn on the camera and kind of film wind noise, stuff like that, and then I'll talk about my thoughts. No wind noise whatsoever, man. All right, guys. So we're back at the house. That was great. I love having a full windshield. I've never had a full windshield on that machine, and just having a full windshield is absolutely fantastic. So even if you can't afford like a glass one, just getting a full windshield is going to change your riding experience when it's cold. I've always froze every time, and I've told people like I don't want to go ride. Like it's going to be cold. I'm not going to have fun. Having a full glass windshield just changes the game, man. That's got to be in the top 3 things I think that you need to buy when you first get a razor. Like windshield, roof, and fender flares, maybe. I don't know, stereo. Those are like the top 3 or top 4 that I can think of. But the glass is just even extra. Like it's so much better. It's crystal clear. You can see right through it, and you almost can't tell that it's there. Like I don't know, you probably tell in the video, but it's just fantastic, great, and gonna totally change my riding experience, especially when it's cold. I'm really gonna enjoy it. So anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you like watching it, and if you want to see more content like this, just subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.